In this video we're taking an honest and realistic look at Freeletics to help you decide if it fits your fitness goals. Freeletics is designed for people who want flexible, equipment-free workouts they can do anywhere. The app offers a huge catalog of bodyweight and high-intensity exercises, paired with an AI-driven coach that adjusts plans based on your performance and feedback. This makes it motivating for users who like structure and enjoy seeing progress over time. The sessions are usually short but intense, making them great for busy routines or for those looking to improve endurance, mobility, and overall conditioning without a gym. However, it's important to note a few limitations. The free version has only basic access, and to unlock most features like tailored programs and nutrition guidance, you need a paid subscription. Some users also find the workouts extremely demanding if they're beginners, and because there's no real-time coaching, improper form can easily lead to strain or injury if you're not careful. The app is strong for general fitness, but if your goal is heavy strength training or building large muscle mass, it won't replace weights or a gym. Overall, Freeletics is a great option if you're motivated, want app guidance, and love workout freedom, but it works best as part of a broader fitness plan. Subscribe now to stay updated with more honest reviews and smarter fitness choices.